This is straight out of science fiction. For the first time ever, scientists have used AI to create new kinds of viruses. In a new paper, researchers at Stanford and the Arc Institute say they trained an AI model to predict DNA sequences, so sort of how ChatGPT has been trained to predict the next word in a sentence. The model then went on to write genetic sequences for bacteria-killing viruses that were unlike anything we've ever seen in nature before. So we already know that AI can be used to create genetic blueprints. What's new here is this was not just theoretical. The scientists actually took the blueprint and turned it into living viruses. Researchers said the viruses did not pose a threat to humans because they didn't train the model with data about how to infect people, animals, or plants. But this is understandably raising safety concerns. For example, that AI could be used to create a new kind of biological weapon, that the government doesn't have strong enough safeguards in place. At the same time, there could be major health benefits like new treatments for diseases, antibiotic-resistant infections. So the potential for both enormous benefits and serious danger. Rebecca.
AI just created 16 brand new viruses that can take out bacteria that antibiotics can't beat anymore. But the problem is those same scientists are warning what else it could be used for. So the AI is called Evo, and researchers at Stanford trained it on millions of real genomes until it could write its own. They had it design viruses that infect E. coli, and those ones only go after bacteria. They can't infect people. Most of the designs they built didn't work, but the ones that did wiped out the bacteria faster than the natural virus they were modeled on. They're saying that head-to-head, the AI versions beat it, and whenever they took 3 bacteria strains that had gone resistant to it, mixtures of the AI ones broke through every single one of them. One of the AI ones right now is so far from anything in nature that they're saying that evolution might not have ever produced it. So that's insane. Multiple different doctors at Johns Hopkins wrote that AI can write viral genomes now, and the rules to control it don't exist. The team is saying that they kept human viruses out of the training data on purpose, and that nobody should ever use this on anything that infects people. Right now, they're saying the only thing stopping this is the scientist who built it deciding not to. So
እሺ ጋይስ ሌላ ሜጀር አፕዴት ከኤአይ ካምፓኒዎች ኤአይ ካምፓኒዎች በዚህ ሰዓት ኤአይን ተጠቅመው ወደ 16 አዳዲስ ቫይረሶች ከስክራች ፈጥረዋል። ማለት እነዚህ ቫይረሶች እስከዛሬ ድረስ ኤግዚስት አድርገው አያውቁም ነው የሚባለው። እነዚህ ቫይረሶች የሰራው ኤአይ ጂኖሚክ ኤአይ ይባላልና ይሄ በሚሊዮን የሚቆጠሩ የጄኔቲክ ኢንፎርሜሽን ይወስድና ፓተርኖችን አይቶ ምናምን ፕሬዲክት ማድረግ የሚችል አይነት ኤአይ ማለት ነው። ወደ 285 ቫይረሶች ጀነሬት አደረገ። ከነሱ ደግሞ 16ቱ ሰክሰስፉል ሆነ ነው የሚሉትና ይሄ ቫይረስ አሁን አታክ ማድረግ የሚችለው የሚሰራው ባክቴሪያዎች ላይ ነው። ማለት የሰው ልጅን አያጠቃም ነው የሚሉት። ግን ለምን እንደሰሩ ሲጠየቁ ፕሩፍ ኦፍ ኮንሰፕት ነው። ማለት ኤአይ አዳዲስ ነገሮችን ጀነሬት ማድረግ እንደሚችል ፕላስ ደግሞ አንዳንድ ባክቴሪያዎች በጊዜ ሁኔታ ለአንቲባዮቲክ ኢሚዩን ይሆናሉና እነዚህ ዴንጀረስ ለሆኑ ባክቴሪያዎች መፍትሄ የሚሆን ነገር ለመፍጠር ነው እያሉ ነው። ያችሁ ምን ላይ እንደደረሱ በዚያ እያያዛቸው በሽታም ክሬት ማድረግ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። እና እነሱ እዚህ ላይ ናቸው። ምን ታስባላችሁ? በዚህ ከቀጠሉ ምን የሚፈጠር ይመስላችኋል? ሀሳቦችን ከመሰክስ ያስቀምጡት።